All right, here comes the train. Check it out, dude. Here he comes. He's got his lights on. Look at it. He's got his lights on. Isn't that cool? So you know he's coming. He's blowing his horn. All right. Yeah, let's wave. See if he waves back. He's waving. Did you see the engineer wave? All right. Wow, that's a big train. That's a big train. We'll get on here. We'll get on here in a second. This one's going to San Bernardino. It's going inland. Here we go. All right, let's get on. The doors, look, watch the doors open. Watch the doors open. Sweet, let's get on. Here we are on the train. Pretty cool. Going to Montclair. They're going to Montclair. I'm not. Pretty sweet.